if you've been scrolling, dreaming about starting an online business, but the thought of showing your face on camera makes you want to close the app, this is for you. You've probably watched 100 videos telling you to just start, post content, build a brand, sell something, but nobody tells you how, especially if you're not comfortable being on camera, don't have hours to spend figuring out strategy, or you're sick of buying courses that leave you more confused than when you started. You don't need another course full of theory. You need a plan. That's exactly why I created the Faceless Income Playbook, a complete step-by-step guide to building a faceless brand and monetizing it with digital products without ever showing your face. This isn't fluff, it's the exact roadmap I use. Broken down into 11 clear chapters that take you from I have no idea where to start to I have a business that runs itself. Inside, you'll get how to get crystal clear on your niche and your dream customer, so your content actually attracts buyers, not just likes. How to optimize your profile to convert followers into customers. How to monetize your page with digital products, even if you don't have one yet. A pricing and income goal framework, so you know exactly what to charge and what to aim for. How to create a freebie that grows your list on autopilot. A full walkthrough on setting up your stand store, how to automate your business so it runs while you sleep, how to build a loyal community around your faceless brand, Instagram strategies built specifically for faceless creators, the legal essentials nobody talks about, and your final it's go time action plan to launch with confidence. And because I know the number one thing that stops people isn't strategy, it's staring at a blank screen wondering what to post, I've included bonus number 1, the 30-day no more blank screen content calendar. That's 30 full days of done-for-you faceless post ideas, each one with a hook, the post idea, a call to action, and a faceless format suggestion. No more guessing, just open it up and post. Then, for the days you want to create something fresh in minutes, you'll get bonus number 2, the AI caption and hook prompt vault. Over 50 copy-paste ChatGPT prompts for hooks, captions, CTAs, comment replies, and even turning one idea into 10 pieces of content. You don't need to know what to write, you just paste the prompt, plug in your niche, and let AI hand you the first draft. And here's the part people love most. This playbook comes with private label rights and master resale rights. That means once you have it, you can rebrand it, make it your own, and resell it to your own audience for 100% profit, bonuses included. It's not just a guide, it's a business in a box. This is built for the woman who's busy, skeptical after past programs that didn't deliver, and just wants something that actually works, without needing to be a tech expert, a designer, or a camera-ready influencer. If you can copy, paste, and edit one sentence, you can create content. That's it. That's the whole barrier. The Faceless Income Playbook, plus both bonuses, is ready for you right now. Everything is done for you. The roadmap, 30 days of content, and 50 plus AI prompts to keep you going long after that. Tap the link below to grab your copy and start building your faceless income stream today. You don't need to be seen to be successful. You just need a plan, and this is it.